Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. This is another first impression review. This video is gonna be all about this Colourpop Ultra Matte lip. Yeah, I was gonna say lip liner. This is not a lip liner. So I got 3 shades of this. Meron ako ng Lumiere 2 and then meron akong Beeper. But this one is the darkest shade because you guys, I listened to you on my previous lipstick review video. Some of you guys said review the darker shades naman. Kasi you always review the nude shades and ish like that. It is the most requested one, yung mga nude shades. Pero this time, I listened to those people na gustong mag-review ako ng dark shades. So, I'm reviewing the shade R&B. I did swatch it on my haul video already. I will leave the link of that video below if you haven't seen that. Pero ngayon is the very first time that I'm gonna be using it the whole day. We'll see how it will last. I have been wanting to do this review because I really wanted to use these lipsticks already. Finally, after nitong review, pwede ko na siyang gamitan. So, this is what the packaging looks like. Very simple. And then, clear din yung tube niya. So, makikita mo talaga yung color ng lipstick inside. This is $6 US. I got this from the Colourpop website talaga. Wala na ko ibang masasabi. So, I will just go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on my lips. Okay, so I will go ahead and apply this lipstick right now. I don't have anything on my lips, by the way. And also, I'm using a different lip balm now. The last first impression lipstick review I did, I was using the Carmex. Now, I'm using the Popo ointment. Ito yung made in Australia na sobrang sikat na ngayon. And I've been using it on my lips. It's actually helping my lips a lot. So yeah, sa mga nagtatanong ko anong lip balm ko ngayon, it's the Popo ointment. Pero I don't have this on my lips right now. But I apply this every night before I go to bed. Oh my gosh, ang bilis niya mag-set. Hindi ko pa natapos i-fill in yung upper lip ko. Like, I was still on this part right here, tapos nag-set na yung baba. Ang bilis niya mag-set. I know, tsaka yung pag-apply dito na part, pero let's just leave it. As you guys can see, medyo iba yung shade na nakikita mo sa packaging and yung nagre-register sa lips ko. It is obviously way darker sa lips ko compared sa what you see on the packaging. So, this is what it looks like on the lips. It's not even a minute yet, and nag-set na siya. Again, sobrang bilis mag-set. It can be a good thing and a bad thing. Good thing, kasi nga hindi mo na kailangan mag-wait ng sobrang tagal para mag-set siya. Bad thing is kapag you mess up and nag-set na siya agad-agad, mahirap na siya i-retouch. You need to remove it with a wet wipe or an oil-based makeup remover kasi mahirap tanggalin tong lipstick na to. I swatched all 3 shades on the back of my hand last night just to see kung ano gusto kong i-review today. And kinailangan ko talaga, as in i-rub talaga. So with this, sobrang careful lang nagpag-apply. Make sure na it's perfect on one swipe kasi nga kapag nagkamali ka, mahirap na. Pero sobrang nagugustuhan ko yung shade. Nag-set na siya completely. Kiss proof. It is super lightweight as well. For a matte liquid lipstick, sobrang lightweight na to. I think this is the most lightweight liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick I have tried. We'll see how long it will last on my lips. It is now 11:08 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. It is now 3:27 ng hapon. So it's been what? 4 hours or maybe 3 hours and a half. Inatras ko ng konti yung lighting ko. So let me guys know, is this better or the previous one? I think this one is better. I'm still working on my lighting. So please bear with me. This is not final yet. My background is not final yet. So yeah. Anyway, onto the lipstick. Obviously, nag-fade na siya. You guys, hindi oily yung kinain ko today. I had pansit. If you guys watch my vlogs, you have watched it. I'm not sure which one will be uploaded first. But I had pansit. Hindi siya ganun ka-oily, pero nag-fade na siya. Napansin ko na nag-fade na siya after ko kumain ng lunch, ng pansit nga. And then nag-snack na din ako. Marami akong kinain ng mga chewy candy. Kumain din ako ng chips. So, medyo marami na siyang pinagdaanan. Pero, after ko kumain ng lunch, parang gusto ko yung pagka-fade niya kasi parang may ombre effect lang. Kasi konti lang yung nag-fade eh. Yung pinaka-inner corner lang. Tapos sa center lang. So, it was kind of like an ombre effect sa lips ko. Pero, nung marami na akong kinain, parang nag-fade na talaga siya. Tapos, obvious na talaga na nag-fade. Hindi siya ganun ka-long lasting. I'm gonna try and spread my lips. That's what I do all the time with my lipstick. And see kung mas-spread ko siya. Hindi siya ganun kadali i-spread ha, kasi nga diba, super matte nitong lipstick na to. Pero I can see na it's actually helping the lipstick. So, ganyan yung itsura niya ngayon. Parang na-save ko siya by just spreading it out. Meron siyang transfer konti lang. I'm pretty sure that's from the liquid na ininom ko. So, meron ng medyo liquid sa lips ko. Tapos, sa kinain ko din, siguro medyo meron konting oil doon. Hindi siya drying sa lips. Though now, parang nafe-feel ko na mayroong lipstick sa lips ko. Kanina kasi super lightweight. Ngayon, hindi naman siya as in super heavy, pero not as lightweight as kanina, if you know what I mean. So, the downside for now is yun, nag-fade siya after kumain. Another downside na na-notice ko, medyo nag-bleed siya outside my lip lines. Hindi siya obvious though, pero kapag you look closely, makikita talaga na nag-bleed outside ng lip lines. You guys will see sa close-ups. I will continue wearing the lipstick like this. Hindi muna ako mag-retouch. Pero later on, I will try and retouch and see kung okay ba siya i-retouch. Ngayon, I honestly don't feel the need to. So yeah, I will get back to you guys later for my final update. So I'm gonna cover my lips for now because you guys, this is freaking crazy. Oh my gosh. It is now 8:17 ng gabi. Hindi ko alam kung ilang oras na. It's been a long time. Hindi ako nag-retouch at all. And are you ready to see this? What the heck? You guys, look at this. Yung kinain namin oily, so we had pasta. Yes, I admit it. Oily siya. Pero really? Like, what is going on? Sobrang nag-bleed siya, especially dito sa sides. It's just ridiculous looking, you guys. I need to remove it. Actually, hindi ko nalaman na ganito yung itsura niya hanggang sa nakarating ako dito, umupo ako dito, and chinek ko, I was like, wow, what the heck is going on? That just looks crazy. Let me just fix it up. Yun yung pinaka-obvious na nag-bleed siya outside, pero nag-bleed din siya dito sa baba at saka sa taas, and hindi lang siya ganun ka-obvious, pero malapitan as in obvious na obvious siya. That happened. Hindi ko na-feel yung lipstick kapag kumakain ako kasi hindi naman siya nag-transfer sa food. So when I was eating, I was really enjoying my food because again, hindi ko nakita na nag-transfer yung lipstick. Kapag kasi nakita mo na nag-transfer yung lipstick, parang, oh my gosh, I need to be careful. Like, the lipstick is transferring. Pero hindi siya nag-transfer sa food, hindi siya nag-transfer sa bottle na ininuman ko. So parang, you know, kain lang ako ng kain. Enjoy ko lang yung food ko. Hindi ko alam, sobrang nag-bleed na siya outside my lip lines, which is just freaking crazy. That's chaka, ha? I'm just going to retouch and see if okay siya i-retouch. I highly suggest you check yourself out, especially if you're eating outside. I'm so glad nandito lang kami sa bahay. Pero kung sa labas yun, and ganun yung lips ko, especially kapag kasama mo lalaki, wala naman talaga silang pakialam kung ano yung tsura ng lips mo. I'm not really sure of the performance of the other shades because obviously this is the first shade na I have used talaga. Okay naman siya i-retouch. Walang problema at all. So, kanina after nung update ko, kumain ako ng pansit again and doon nag-fade na siya talaga ng bongga and then kinailangan namin lumabas and I didn't really have time to update so hindi ako naka-retouch. So, I went out and it was kind of embarrassing because my lips look really chaka talaga and again, hindi ako nag-retouch for the sake of the review. So, pumunta ako ng Kmart, chaka yung lips ko. I'm definitely not gonna wear this out again, especially if I know nakakain ako sa labas. Siguro kung lalabas lang kami, manonood ng movie, hindi kakain, I'm gonna wear this lipstick. But if merong food na involved, I'm sure I'm not gonna wear this lipstick. Again, I'm not sure how the other shades will perform. This one, not a big fan because it bleeds outside my lip lines just freaking crazy. Pero yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya, hindi siya drying sa lips at all. Very lightweight as well. So yun yung nagustuhan ko. So that's my review of this lipstick right here. Not a big fan. I really do like the color. Anyway, that's it for the review. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. It's the red subscribe button below. You will be notified of my video if you subscribe. And also, some of you said you're subscribed to my channel pero hindi ako nagpa-pop up sa feed nyo. I suggest you click, if you like lang naman, you click the bell button down there, somewhere there, and you will be notified of my video. So you will receive a notification that, hey, Rhaze just uploaded a video. Just kung gusto nyo lang naman, it's the bell button below. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!